Hello, hello, hello. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody weekend is going well. Um, I have a perfect keto order that came in today. They was running a special, I think for 20% off. And if you added in one of these pancakes, now I told y'all before I wasn't going to do these pancakes because I done been there and done that and wasted a lot of money. Basically throwing it in the garbage because it wasn't good. But I wanted to get the 20% off. And I always use their collagen. So I wanted to try the flavored collagens to see, how they were. So I bought chocolate, salted caramel, which I used in my iced coffee, and vanilla. Now, I'm gonna do the salted vanilla. It smells like, salted caramel. It smells like salted caramel, but when I just put this and a teaspoon of allulose, my nut pod, it didn't taste like nothing. So I went on ahead and added in my Lincanto chocolate drinking powder sweetened with monk fruit. I added two teaspoons of that because the serving size is 4 teaspoons. So I only added two. And I added 2 teaspoons of coconut palm sugar just to give it more of a sweetened taste. You know what I'm saying? So at any rate, if I use this in any of my smoothies and stuff, I don't think it's going to make a difference. I could have really, as far as the salted caramel goes, to me, um, or maybe if I make a chocolate smoothie, I add in the salted caramel. I don't know. I'll find some way to use it, but at any rate, I don't think I would buy that again because it didn't give me the taste that I was looking for. I could have just used unflavored. And to come to it, they are giving you more. Let me see, because they're all. I wonder why this one is big. This one they're giving you more: 12.13 ounces, 11.25, and 11.07. I know in the other ones, I think they were like 10 ounces or something like that. I have to look again. But it seems like they may be giving you a little more in these containers than the old containers. I did want to try their electrolytes. So I bought a can of their electrolytes. Hopefully it tastes good. And I want to tell y'all, Equip, and Perfect Keto are owned by the same company. The collagen on Equip, I like better because you get more in the package. And it doesn't have the MCT oil, although the MCT oil does not bother me. It may bother some people, but it doesn't bother me. But they're both owned by the same company. And that's the difference with the collagens. Perfect Keto has MCT oil. Their collagen, Equip collagen, does not have MCT oil. So this is the electrolytes. The one thing about Perfect Keto, I don't like the stevia heavy taste. So we're going to see. Hopefully if this tastes good. Now I just give it to my son. He'll use it. He drinks Gatorade and Powerade, all of that, and I think that stuff is disgusting. I can't find an electrolyte that's on the ground that's really good. So if I don't like this, I'll just give it to my son if I don't like the taste of it. I do take Perfect Keto electrolyte capsules as well. This is just powder that you put in your drink. This they gave me for free, I guess, with my order. I never tasted any of their keto bars where people rave about them. I tend to not really mess with stuff like that. Again, with some of them, they just okay. So I've tried several of the bars, like protein bars and stuff like that, and they're just okay. I'm going to try these pancakes today. This is what I'm going to have for my first meal. I'm going to make some pork belly bacon, and I'm going to try this. I'm going to make one just to see how it tastes, and if it don't taste good, I'm going to add a burro banana to it to see how it tastes then. But God, I hope this stuff tastes good, because if not, I've wasted another bit of my money. And this will be like the third pancake mix that I've tried. I tried one from a company that's in Hawaii. I think that pancake mix was like $30 with shipping, and you had to make it the whole bag. Like the recipe was for one bag, and basically they were not good. They ended up going in the garbage. I told y'all the birch benders ended up going in the garbage. I couldn't doctor that stuff up to save my life. Nothing saved that stuff. So I did throw that in the garbage the other night, and now I got this one. So we're gonna see if it do what it do. If not, I'll stick to birch bender, the paleo banana version, and that's it. So the coffee is Purity. I've got plenty of videos on the Purity coffee, so you can go back in my play intermittent fasting playlist and just watch those videos, and you'll see certain things that I've used over time and stuff that you would continue to see that I use. But let's see what this pancake stuff doing. Normally I like pancake, we just gotta add water. I'm gonna add butter instead of coconut oil. Although I do have coconut oil, I'm gonna add butter instead of coconut oil. And I'm gonna add water to mix mine. I'm not gonna add almond milk. I don't even have almond milk. I don't buy that stuff because it's not. You may get a handful of almonds. The rest is just water. I would suggest, if you do like almond milk, make it yourself. They do have a machine that will help you if you're that much invested in almond milk. But most of the time, all of the time with my smoothies and stuff, I just use water. And for my coffee, I use nut pod. I used to use heavy cream, but now I use nut pod. I try to limit my dairy as much as possible. So that's what I got on my perfect keto order. Give it a try. At any rate, if you don't want to try the flavors, just use the unflavored. It helps with nails, hair. You know, a lot of people, when they go low on carbs and stuff like that, they say their hair starts to fall out. And Lord knows I don't need no hair loss. So I hopped on that collagen real quick. But it helps for hair, nails, skin, you know, things of that nature. So, yeah, go ahead and check it out. They still may have the sale going on. And with that being said, I'll see y'all later.